Hey there, welcome to My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, My Yard is My Garage. Today, I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing of our brand new, rebuilt 440 TNT. Come along with that, and let's just kind of briefly pull this out of the box, take a look at it, but then I got to tuck it back into the garage until we put it in the car. So, well, let's take a look at this thing. Very nice. More gaskets. Oh yeah, there's the intake. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. Ooh. We have our high output oil pump. Break-in oil here. Extra can of the coolest color, yes. Chrysler Hemi Orange. And here it is. Let's get this out of the box. Peel this away so you can kind of drink this in a little bit. Get our oil pump out of here. Oh, in case you're curious, we have, there's our break-in on engine oil. We got 6 quarts of this fun stuff. Oh yeah. All right, looks like we got some warnings like make sure you work on your oil cooler, make sure it's clean. All air must be purged from your oil galleries before starting the engine. Warranty card. Yeah. Let me pull you in closer so you can see what this looks like up close. All right, we are looking nice in here. All new, all fun. Good scary cam in there. Not too, well, maybe a little scary. They gave me some extra paint for the sides on here. Well, not the China wall. But when you put a new intake on here, it's, you know, it might overshadow some of these or block those edges. So they gave me some extra paint to take care of that. Oh yeah. Looks nice over here. Perfect. More of the business end here. A nice short and sweet unboxing. Oh, oh, that's going to be great. I'm going to go ahead and strap this thing up again, lift it in, throw it into our spot. I've cleaned out a little spot in the garage, pulled Austin out. Oh man, that car is hurt. Got to rebuild that engine. Maybe I'll take you along for that. Let me know down in the comments below if that's something you might be interested in seeing. I know I don't typically work on much newer stuff, but my 2011 pooper is hurt. Spun a bearing. You saw that video. Hey there. Well, it's an end of an era. 304,058 miles. Engine finally decided to seize. All the fluids were good. Hey, it was its time. Yeah, 2011. Mini Cooper. Yeah, still had the original clutch. So I've been toying around with the idea. It's, maybe we'll pull the engine out, do a rebuild, replace the clutch, put a new turbo on, do a brake job, micro screen the fluids, you know, all that good stuff. let me know down below if you might be interested in seeing that on this channel. And I thank you for coming along. My name is Bishop. My yard's my garage. You're welcome to come over and help with any of these projects at any time. So well, let's get this put away into the garage for another day. Okay, well, how fitting. There's a Charger, empty, engine bay, engine, no car around it, but we're going to go ahead and put our engine to sleep here, right next to our Charger project. Oh, it'll probably be a few months, but we'll go ahead and make sure that we keep stepping forward on this, and we will do an amazing build. And you're going to like this, so it's going to be something to follow. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and click subscribe down below. And if you like the content, go ahead and hit a comment. Helps throw me up a little bit higher into the list of viewership and people who are interested in this stuff. So, yeah. Let's put our oil away, clean this stuff up. We'll just get... We'll get situated. We've got a football game on today, so let's go ahead and take care of that and get our priorities straight, all right? All right, we'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks.